Adversity 2, this vehicle was broadsided. Passenger door was bent in, the passenger side quarter panel damaged. The rear tire seems to be bent, and through the process of elimination, we figured that out. One of the lower after I think a few weeks, able to find another door at a local junkyard, and that was reinstalled and readjusted. And the front passenger side quarter panel in the same junkyard was found very cheap. I think it was $150 for both of them. Adversity 2, before and after.